subscribe to our channel.
8 Effective remedies to treat styes. Home remedies to fight styes. 1. Garlic. While any strong mixture can cause irritation if you put it close to your eye, garlic juice helps you quickly relieve the infection. Garlic will help it heal quickly thanks to its antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Just crush a couple of garlic cloves and then apply some of its juice on the affected eyelid. Its properties will be absorbed and will take action even if the stye is internal. When applying the garlic juice, make sure that it doesn't fall into your eye. A good choice is to use a slightly moistened swab to help you apply the garlic juice. 2. Potatoes. Because they contain a number of astringent properties, potatoes can reduce inflammation and swelling. At the same time, swelling makes it difficult for the blood to reach the affected area. All you need to do is to grate a potato, place a little of it on a gauze and press gently against the affected eyelid. This will make the stye disappear quickly. 3. Maintain proper hygiene. Bad hygiene habits are the main cause of styes. If you have a developing stye or if they constantly appear, you should make an effort to keep the area around your eyes clean. This ensures that dirt and bacteria don't build up. 4. Chamomile and green tea. After drinking a satisfying cup of green tea or chamomile tea, store the tea bags in the refrigerator. When they're cold, you can apply them directly over your eye. The antioxidant compounds in the tea quickly fight the infection, helping to get rid of the stye. 5. Aloe vera. This is a well-known substance, so you probably already know about its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. The gel inside aloe leaves can help you if you apply it directly on the infected eyelid. You only have to rub a small amount of this crystalline gel on your eye a couple of times a day until your eye recovers. 6. Onions. Despite their poor reputation for making you cry, onions are packed with antioxidants and antibacterial agents that can eliminate bacteria quickly. Like potatoes, you only have to chop a few pieces of onion, place the pieces on a gauze and press it against the affected eyelid. Don't be alarmed if you start to cry a little, that just means the onion pieces are working. 7. Parsley. The active ingredients in this herb can help you detoxify the stye and eliminate bacteria and pus. This speeds up the healing process and reduces inflammation and swelling. Bring the parsley leaves to a boil and apply the resulting tonic to your eye when it has cooled down. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can do a lot of good for your eye. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.